औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ ओथेलो एज अ ट्रेजिक हीरो। तो मैंने ये नोट्स बनाए हुए हैं, नहायत ही इजी नोट्स है। मैं आपके साथ ये शेयर कर रहा हूँ, उम्मीद है आपको इसकी समझ आ जाएगी। इन ऑर्डर टू डिस्कस ओथेलो एज अ ट्रेजिक हीरो, वी मस्ट नो व्हाट इज मेंट बाय अ ट्रेजिक हीरो. It should be noted that a tragic hero is a character in a play or in a novel who has some virtuous traits, but he ultimately meets with suffering. According to Aristotle, there are some requirements of a tragic hero. These requirements are: number first, a tragic hero must be a man of high position. Number second, he must be neither too good nor too bad. Number third, he must have a tragic flaw, and that flaw will change his happiness to suffering. And number four, his fall will arouse the feeling of pity and fear in the minds of her readers or audience. अच्छा, अब चूंकि हमें इन रिक्वायरमेंट्स का पता चल गया है, तो लेट्स जज द कैरेक्टर ऑफ ओथेलो in the light of these points, and on the basis of these points we will decide whether Othello is a tragic hero or not. As regard to the first point, Othello was a man of a high position. He was serving as a general in Venetian army. The whole country respected him as a brave and great leader. He had a very good reputation as a skilled soldier. In simple words, we can say that Othello fulfills the first condition of a tragic hero. As far as the second condition is concerned, it also fits on the character of Othello, because he was an intermediate type of person. That is, he was neither too good not too bad. He had many good traits. For example, he was a skilled military soldier. He had great control on himself. He was brave and courageous. He was a far-sighted man. As far as his flaws are concerned, Othello had a trusting nature. Being a trustworthy person, he used to trust each and everyone. He trusted Iago very much. His trusting nature made him blind to the evil tricks of Iago. Apart from this, Othello had very little knowledge of humans' double nature, because he had spent most of his time in military expedition and had very little knowledge of फेमिलियल रिलेशनशिप. फेमिलियल रिलेशनशिप के मानी है ख़ानदानी जो इल्म होता है इंसान के पास कि ख़ानदान के अंदर क्या क्या होता है. ओके, एज रिगार्ड टू द ट्रेजिक फ्लॉ, ओथेलो यूज्ड टू ट्रस्ट पीपल. यानी ओथेलो का जो फ्लॉ था, ट्रेजिक फ्लॉ, वो ये था कि वो लोगों पर बहुत जल्द यकीन और भरोसा कर लेता था. His nature was a trusting nature. He trusted the words of Iago and killed Desdemona. This act of him changed his whole life. His tragic flaw changed his happiness to suffering. So, in other words, we can say that the third point also fits on the character of Othello. As regard to the last point, it also fits on the character of Othello. When he is informed how Iago has deceived him, he weeps bitterly and stabs himself with a sword. His weeping and his death arouse our feeling of pity and fear. So, to conclude, we can say that Othello is a great tragic hero because he fulfills all the requirements of a tragic hero. तो दोस्तों, ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक. उम्मीद है आपको इसकी समझ आ गई होगी किसी भी जगह पर कोई मसला हो या कोई सवाल हो तो आप कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।